dead to me.
Some of Android mobile users love iPhones and wants to make their Android mobile look like iPhone. For those Android users, in this video I will show you how to install iOS 13 WhatsApp without root and without losing your chats. Before that, let me introduce, I am Tarantiman and let's roll to tutorial.
I know everything.
So first of all is we need to back up our WhatsApp chats. For this, open WhatsApp, press on this kind of three dots and open WhatsApp settings. Here go to chats, swipe up a bit and open chat backup. Then press on this backup button. This process takes a few seconds. Now go back to home screen. Tap and hold on WhatsApp icon, open its app info and uninstall it. Now download iOS WhatsApp and theme files. Direct download link is in description. All set. Now open file manager of your mobile and install iOS WhatsApp. This WhatsApp will works on all Android mobiles, but if it not works on your mobile, then comment your problem. I will give you solution or provide you another iOS WhatsApp. After installing it, simply open it and sign in with your number. After that, it shows you restore chats option. Here press restore now and wait for few seconds. Hit next. Now type your name and hit next. Wait some more time until WhatsApp loads all data. You can see an icon at top right corner. Press on this icon. Open mode settings. Here go to themes and load theme. Now load the iOS theme. Remember, if you want this WhatsApp in dark mode, then choose dark iOS theme. Otherwise, choose light iOS theme and wait. Now you can see that your mobile WhatsApp is totally converted to an iOS WhatsApp look. So that's enough for this video. Comment down if you are facing any kind of problem. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in next video.